The very first Play to Meet People networking event that happened in Calgary was a huge success. We had a lot of fun. And so you're invited to the second one that is happening in downtown Calgary on Wednesday, November 6th. And there you're gonna have fun and you're gonna meet strangers. I've got a stranger on my shoulder. Well, she's not a stranger anymore, but Renee's on my shoulders. She was at the first one. Renee, was it fun?
It was really fun.
She thinks it was fun. I had fun. So you're invited to come have fun. You're invited to come and have fun with us on November 6th. If you're interested in coming, shoot me a note and we'd love to have you there to have fun and meet strangers. Cheers. Okay. Okay, down we go.
Don't.
First, there we go. Okay. Give me your weight. Yeah. Go ahead. Get that leg around.
I'm nervous. I'm not good with heights, man.
Okay.
I shouldn't do this.
And hold Yayo's hand as we go up.
Oh no.
Oh, okay. All right. And now I take your popsicle.
Okay, wait.
No, not me. Not me. Okay.
I need to feel safe.
Okay. You okay?
Oh, okay.
Okay. All right. So exciting. Done in one.